Hey guys, welcome back. Handheld spray bottles are inadequate for fertilizing large yards, shrubbery rows, flower beds, or vegetable gardens, as they lack the capacity and efficiency needed for such tasks. However, there are many products available to choose hose and sprayer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a research on the internet and compiled a list of the best hose and sprayer from a couple of brands. After completing the research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ortho Dial End Spray Hose and Sprayer. The Ortho Dial End Spray Hose and Sprayer is a convenient and efficient tool for spraying liquid concentrates, such as weed killers, insect killers, fungicides, and fertilizers. Its easy-to-use design eliminates the hassle of mixing and measuring, preventing messes. This garden hose end sprayer offers 3 spray patterns covering most application needs. By twisting the ring at the front of the sprayer, users can select a broadcast spray pattern, a strong jet stream, or a shower pattern for delicate foliage. Each pattern works well, but the selection must be precise. Users need to feel a slight click when twisting the ring to ensure the desired pattern is chosen. If the ring fails to click into place, water may dribble profusely. The durable Ortho sprayer provides 14 dilution settings, ranging from 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces per gallon of water. The adjustable dial on the sprayer's side allows users to customize the solution strength according to the fertilizer's packaging instructions. Number 2. Chapin G390 Hose End Sprayer. The Chapin G390 Lawn and Garden Sprayer is an affordable and durable option for various yard spraying needs. It features a 32-ounce chemical-resistant polytank and a universal fitting that attaches easily to any standard garden hose. This sprayer is capable of handling water-soluble chemicals, allowing users to add granulated fertilizer to the tank for uniform lawn application. It also accommodates liquid fertilizer and includes a measurement guide on the tank for accurate dilution. Like many hose end sprayers, the Chapin G390 has a built-in anti-siphon feature to prevent backflow and avoid contaminating the hose water. While the Chapin G390 performs well, it has a few minor drawbacks. The sprayer uses a thumb lever on top, which feels less ergonomic compared to a traditional trigger design. Additionally, it offers only 1 spray pattern, limiting versatility in application. This makes it best suited for lawns and low-growing flowers and shrubs due to the downward spray angle. Number 3. Inav 8 Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer. This nozzle was tested for over 6 months and proved to be very comfortable due to its rubber grip and thumb control, which allows for easy on-off operation and water pressure adjustment. While not as straightforward as an on-off switch like the best overall option, it comes close. The nozzle features icons that resemble those on the top-rated model, depicting different spray patterns, though they are not clearly labeled. However, cycling through them helps in identifying their functions. In a controlled setting, the watering flow was measured at an impressive 28 feet, making it useful for cleaning hard-to-reach areas with a shorter hose, reducing the need to maneuver a heavy one. During at-home use, the standout feature was the throttle, eliminating the need to continuously press a trigger, reducing hand fatigue. Water pressure remained strong for most watering tasks, though it weakened at greater distances. However, for watering distant plants, strong pressure may not be necessary. Number 4. Miracle-Gro Performance Garden Feeder. The Miracle-Gro Performance Organics Garden Feeder offers functionality and a design similar to the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder. It features trigger technology for one-handed feeding, providing convenience and efficiency. The sprayer includes 3 spray patterns: broadcast, shower, and jet, all of which performed well during testing. However, the lock lever on top of the garden feeder proved challenging to maneuver, requiring significant force to operate. This lack of ease, particularly the need for extra pressure, was a notable drawback. Using the Miracle-Gro Performance Organics Garden Feeder is a simple 3-step process. Users fill the tank with fertilizer, connect the sprayer to the hose, turn on the water, and start spraying. Cleaning the sprayer after use is also straightforward. Following the instructions, users turn the sprayer upside down and run water through the jar. Number 5. Willcrew High Pressure Hose Sprayer. The Willcrew car wash nozzle has quickly become a favorite sprayer for various tasks. While it excels at washing cars, siding, and other surfaces requiring soap, it is also particularly useful for bathing dogs. Its unique design and orbit nozzle allow for convenient and controlled application of soap and water. One standout feature is the clear reservoir, which makes it easy to monitor soap levels. Users can adjust the water-to-soap ratio by attaching the garden hose nozzle and tweaking the dial on top. The inclusion of 8 spray patterns further enhances its versatility. The Willcrew sprayer includes a lock-on function for the trigger, which stays engaged once squeezed, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. A second firm squeeze turns off the water flow. The sprayer has a removable quick connect fitting compatible with quick connect hoses. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.